Hello and welcome everybody, I'm the GamePro232 and I'm here to show you how to make a very special thing for you archers out there. And that would be an archery potion, if you had guessed, and well, probably clicked onto the video too. You will need a bottled water, a daybloom, and a lens. To get a bottled water, you will need one glass to craft 2 bottles on a furnace, and you will need to fill those bottles with water by standing in any amount of water, and not a fountain, but any amount of water, and you will craft bottled water in the potion section. To get a daybloom, you can swing your sword like a maniac around an overgrown, pure grass biome, or you can make a daybloom farm with pots and daybloom seeds. To get a lens, you kill some demon eyes. It's pretty simple. Let's get on with it. Come on, let's go. Waiting. Okay. As you can see, an archery potion is consumable and has a 20% increased arrow speed and damage, and has a 4-minute duration. You craft this thing on an alchemy station. To craft an alchemy station, you will need to place an empty bottle on a workbench. As you can see, I have an intimidating marrow, which is the bow that you will get from a skeleton archer. Very, very rare. And as you can see, it's already a very fast bow. You can hardly see the arrow fly by, but once I drink the potion, it flies even faster. And with more velocity equals more damage. It doesn't actually say that it increased damage. As you can see, it's still 40 damage, but it will increase the damage because of the velocity. That's just how arrows work. So, see if we can find anything to kill. Oh, never mind. Unfortunately, this is all the time I have for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please be sure to hit that like button, and if you really enjoyed it, please be sure to subscribe and maybe even hit that bell button. This has been the GamePro232, and I'm out.